Matt Gaetz for Attorney General? Well, we knew this was going to happen. We didn't necessarily know that he would choose Matt Gaetz to be Attorney General, but we knew that he would staff his administration with people who are thoroughly unqualified and absolutely the worst specimens of humanity that this country has to offer. The only prerequisites for anyone that Donald Trump would choose for his administration are, number one, a personal, undying loyalty to Donald Trump himself, and secondly, a willingness to do Donald Trump's bidding and his dirty work, no matter how dirty that work is or how criminal it is. And in Matt Gaetz, he certainly has found someone who checks both of those boxes. So, from Trump's perspective, Matt Gaetz is the perfect choice for Attorney General. The question is whether the Senate's going to actually do their job. If this were a healthy republic, Matt Gaetz would have no chance at confirmation. But we don't even know if there's going to be confirmation hearings. That's how screwed up all of this is. You know, and we know about all of Matt Gaetz's alleged criminal activity with respect to trafficking in underage girls and all of that stuff. But the man is also thoroughly unqualified. Think about this. Matt Gaetz, nominated for Attorney General, this guy would not even have a chance to be hired as an assistant U.S. attorney anywhere in this country because he has absolutely no relevant legal background. I don't think this man has even practiced law, and if he did, it was for a very short period of time. He's never served as a prosecutor, he's not qualified, like in any way. But for Donald Trump, he's more than qualified to do what Donald Trump wants him to do. Attorney generals don't actually go to court or actually do any legal work. Matt Gaetz is going to do what Trump wants him to, and that is order the prosecution of all his perceived political foes. That's what Matt Gaetz was selected for. We knew there was going to be retribution. I think the scale of the retribution is going to be mind-blowing. I think Donald Trump is going to have a whole lot of people arrested. If I had to guess, that would be my guess. Everybody involved in any of the prosecutions of him, Jack Smith, going to be arrested. Letitia James, arrested. Just go down the list. My guess is they're going to be arrested. And it doesn't matter if they didn't commit any crimes. Matt Gaetz can, you can indict a ham sandwich. You've heard that said many times of grand jury proceedings. You can get a grand jury to do whatever you want. You can charge someone, have a grand jury indict them, have them arrested, have them put in jail, brought to court, arraigned, and given a trial date. Now, maybe the cases ultimately get thrown out for lack of evidence, but these people will go through the process of being indicted and arrested and their lives turned upside down. Donald Trump can do all of that before the courts even get involved. The courts don't get involved until after they've been indicted. So I think that's what's coming. I think it's going to be bad. I think it's going to be really bad. And we'll talk more about these other appointments because, man, they're bad too.